Hi everyone and welcome to GIT 411. It's me again, your professor Arno Egner, and you made it all the way here to the last one, to the last class of that pipeline, the 3D animation for characters. This is the harder one of the whole series. Animation is much harder I would say actually, than anything else in 3D. But if you're good at it, you'll have a lot less competition than in modeling or texturing. There's always more modelers and more texturer. Okay? So what is that class about? Well, it's about taking the character, the 3D mesh you have done before in the previous class, the biped, and animating it for video games. That's what it gets down to it. And the way we do that, we'll have to go through a special process, and the process goes that way. First part of it, we are going to put bones, a skeleton inside the character, and that will be in week 1, you guys. Then in week 2, we are going to skin the character, which means we're going to take the bones and attach it to the skin of your character. That would be your week 2. Now in week 3, we are going to create a puppet system. Just like ropes with a real puppet, we're going to create that, but virtually, so we can animate a character without touching the bones. We will link the puppet system to the character bones structure, and then when we move the puppet system, the bone structure will move properly. Then, at the same time, we will add IK and FK to our character. That will be done in week 3 also. At that point, you'll have a character ready to go for animation. And we will have 3.5 weeks, 4 weeks left to do animation. We will go through idle and extended idle in week 4. We will do a walk cycle in week 5. We'll do a run cycle on week 6, and then on week 7 you will do 2 motions that are specific to your character, and you will choose what you want to do. So make sure in week 7 you ask me, I want to do that, how should I do it? And I will explain you and help you to go through that. That's pretty much it. That's what you have to do. So at the end, we'll end up with an extended idle, an idle, a walk cycle, a run cycle, and 2 of your motion. That's pretty much it for the class syllabus, what we're doing. Beside the book that we are going to use right here in the textbook information, Rigging for Games, a primer for technical artists using Maya and Python. The book just goes in extra details on the matter that we're studying. You will have my videos as usual and the lecture that goes with it from me. But if you want more, because I don't have time to cover everything in videos and lecture, if you want more, you have the book. And there's reading pretty much every week, most of the weeks, using the book. So please do so. It's pretty important if you want to get better to be able to read all the information, not just part of it. Okay? Well, I will see you in the introduction to rigging itself. I want to make sure that I explain what's rigging exactly. Okay? Thank you.